Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is talking about Java HashSet class. HashSet is extend this AbstractSet, which is implement set interface, and set interface extend the collection interface. But before I begin, let's subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. Well, Java HashSet class is used to create a collection that uses a hash table for storage, right? And the most important point about Java HashSet class is HashSet is using hashing mechanism for storing the elements, right? And also another important point about HashSet is HashSet contains only unique elements only, so you can't storing the duplicate element into HashSet. So the difference between list and set is list contains duplicate elements, whereas set contains unique elements only, right? So these are the HashSet methods. These are the methods in HashSet class. So contain all these methods, right? So let's go to Eclipse. Right, you just go to File, New, and create classes. So here we go. So this is a HashSet example class, right? So import java.util HashSet, right? So in this class, there's a main program for running the program. So HashSet string set. So new HashSet, right? So set interface, right? Extend implement set interface, right? So set.add all these elements into the set. Pen, pencil, box, paper. So we using the iterator to traverse the set. And while loop, this is a while loop. While iterator has net, using the has net, and then we will traverse forward only. So we use system.out.println all the item, all the element from the set, right? So let's run it. So this is the output. Look at it. This is the output. Pen, pens, pen, paper, box, pencil. Right. So this is it's not sorted set. So this is just randomly output the item from the set because it's not sorted. So pen, paper, box, pencil. So pen, paper, box, pencil, right? So these are the items from the set, right? So let's go to the next example. So again, we import java.util.hashSet. So we has a class book here, and the book has ID, name, author, publisher, and quantity, right? So here HashSet book example, right? There's a main program to run it, and we have a set of book. So B1, 2, 3. So has a individual ID and book name, author, publisher, and quantity. So let's add books into HashSet. So set.add B1, B2, P3, right? And then we traversing HashSet for each book from the set. We want to print it out. System.out.println the book ID, book name, book author, book publisher, and book quantity. So let's run it. So here we go. This is the output. So this is the set of book. There's only 3 elements in the set. So that's it. So I hope you enjoy my video, and I hope you learn up the HashSet. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I see you again soon. Bye.